Hey everybody, Jennifer from Scrapping Under the Influence. I am here today to show you what you would be getting in the box if you sign up for one of Country Craft Creations' virtual retreats. So at this point, we've done 3 so far this year. There's one more coming up this year towards the end of the year, and more details will be available for that here in the next couple of weeks. But just to kind of, I know with the pandemic and everything, a lot of scrapbook stores and things that normally would hold in-person crops and things had gone to retreats in boxes. And, I've done a lot of those, and I've done some good ones, and I've done some that are okay. None of them compare to what you get from a Country Craft Creations retreat in a box. So, this is a great option for, people who don't travel or can't travel, that can't come to one of the in-person retreats that we do, because you get a ton of stuff in this box. Okay. So let's open this up and go through this. So let me move the box. So just so you can kind of see, this is what all is in your box. Okay? You are getting lightweight chipboard for a lot of the projects. Lightweight allows you to cut it yourself, which helps you to learn how to cut your chipboard to make mini albums and other projects like that. And I'm not honestly sure how many sheets you have here, but it's a lot. You've got a cutting guide for each one of the projects. There are 7 projects total in this retreat. Tamra will be doing her banner project live, and Bonnie will be doing her camping album live. The rest of these are all live, but will end up being recorded and put into the Facebook group. There is an exclusive Facebook group for any of her virtual retreats. Any videos, any lives, any games, any cutting guides, anything like that are uploaded to that group are there for you forever and always. But you're getting a full color cutting guide for each project. It's got a template in here for this particular project, and I'll show you pictures here in a couple minutes of some of the projects. You've got the cutting guides, you've got pictures of your projects, and we're not talking just kind of like, a basic picture of the front of the project. We're talking full pictures inside and out of every project that you can reference as you work on your projects. Okay, so we've just got all kinds of fun stuff going on here. And there's another one. And if you follow any of Country Craft Creations designers, we all have different styles. You're going to get a little bit of everything in this box. Absolutely everything. And again, we're still pages and pages and pages of pictures of your project. So you've got your full cutting guide with pictures of the completed projects. You've got your ephemera pack. So in this package, you've got some paper straws that go with one of the projects. You've got ribbon that will go with any of the projects. You can use it as you want. If you have something in your stash at home that you prefer to use, you can absolutely do that. Because that's another nice thing about the Country Craft Creations projects is you're not getting pre-cut papers. Everything that you're getting here, you're getting paper collections. You don't have to mat it the way a designer has matted it. You can change it up however you want to. You're going to have papers left over. You're going to have stickers. You're going to have, extras from pretty much every project in this retreat that you can come back and use it later for cards. You could add something extra to your project. You could mat it completely different. You're not locked into one way and one way only to make your project. So we've got some little pom-pom trim here that's adorable. We've got, I'm not even sure what's in here. I haven't even opened this one yet. So we've got a little mason jar that Sally is going to be doing a project with. And again, this is where, you know, you can use your scraps from your projects. You can use all kinds of things. So we've got a cute little wooden mason jar here. And then in here, we have a little bendy straw. Oh, how fun. We've got a bendy straw. We've got a sucker. We've got some lemonade, a lemonade packet that you can add to a water bottle. You've got pre-cut chipboard for Tamra's banner, it looks like, here, and a doily. And you've got tickets for drawings. So there are lots of prize drawings. There are games. We do Zooms. There are, you know, live Facebook videos with where they answer questions, all kinds of things. And we do several Zooms through the course of the virtual retreat. So for Patty's project, and I will get that up on the screen here in just a second, you're going to use Graphic 45 Birdwatcher. So you've got your 8x8 collection kit plus the stickers that go with it. And she is going to show you how to make a really cute little gazebo with a drawer with a bunch of inserts for photos. And then we've got some acetate here, which I know you use on my project because of course we do. I'm the acetate queen. And we're also using this on Nicole's project. And I'm not sure on Patty's if she's using acetate or if the sides of hers are open. I haven't had a chance to look. So this is going to be my project. I'm going to save that one for last because I'm going to show you a little more in depth on mine. So Nicole, who is, and so Patty is new to the design team, so is Nicole. Nicole is using Pool Party, and she is doing an adorable box with an acetate lid that looks like you're looking down into a swimming pool. It is so stinking cute. And then she's doing a memory decks in the box that this swimming pool see-through sits on top of. It's going to be adorable. So for Slice of Summer, this is going to be Anne Marie's project. She's doing a toolbox with a small album and some fun little like decorative things that sit in the toolbox. So that's going to be a really fun one as well. And again, you're getting the entire paper collection. Okay. And it looks like, I didn't even notice that. For Nicole's, you've got some little extra stuff to put in your pool there for your shaker part of your pool. Okay. Anne Marie's is where you're going to use those paper straws. And again, you're getting the entire paper pack there. Okay. So Kim is doing a project with the Country Craft Creations exclusive Stars and Stripes paper. So this paper is only available for sale at Country Craft Creations. The colors in this paper are just to die for. And I mean, it is good heavyweight paper. You can distress this. You can, oh my gosh, there's so much, this paper takes so much abuse and grunges up just beautifully. I can't even tell you. So we've got tags that you can cut out, fussy cut out, or if you've got a Brother Scan and Cut, these will scan in on that and cut. You have got 2 sheets, and then look at the back of that. You've got 2 sheets of the cut-aparts with a really pretty print on the back there. Here we've got our little truck with Wilbur the Beagle. And there are 3 sheets of each of those. You have 3 sheets of the Independence Day paper, and again, just a really nice print on the back. 3 sheets of the Stars and Stripes with your little bunting on the back. excuse me, 3 sheets of the fireworks with, again, your stars on the back. We have 3 sheets of the stripes with the flowers, and then just the stripes by themselves. 3 sheets of the other flower with the stripes, and again, another stripe. You have 3 sheets with the little barn and the truck, and you've got one on the back is just the flags with God Bless America. You've got some more flags, and again, 3 more sheets of that with that really nice print on the back. So Kim's album is going to be using that paper collection, and you're going to have some left for that, but Tammy is also going to use this for her banner. Your chipboard for that one is pre-cut because this is heavier chipboard as opposed to the lightweight chipboard that is being used like for mine and Anne-Marie and the other projects. So Bonnie's, you also have this pre-cut, and she is using Outdoor Adventure from Echo Park. I'm sorry, not Echo Park, Cartabella. I should know, I just did craftology with this. And again, you've got your chipboard in here pre-cut, you've got your ephemera pack, you've got the entire paper collection with the stickers. So again, if you want to change it up, if you want to mat something differently, you absolutely can do that. My project, we are using the gorgeous Simple Stories Simple Vintage Farmhouse Garden. And let me grab my project and I'll show you exactly what we're making with this. So I have done a little trifold folio, and I'm calling this my window box folio. So instead of doing a shaker, which again, because you're getting the product, you're getting the elements to make this, and you can customize this. You could make this front into a shaker. I've got it completely clear. You could make it where only the front is clear and then you've got solid on the back. It's up to you. And that's what's so amazing about the Country Craft Creations virtual retreats. You're not getting a stack of pre-cut papers and some pictures to show you where those pre-cut papers need to go. You're getting full collection kits. You can customize your projects however you want to. Okay? So I did pull my flowers out of my stash. Other than that, everything else with this is in your kit. So mine, you're going to open it up and you're going to be able to see through. We've got that cute print with the vegetables on this side. And my things keep sliding out because I got carried away when I was loosening those up so that they would fit in there, and I didn't want to stay. But that was me being overzealous. So I've just got some little pockets here for cards. Opening up, we've got flaps, we've got pullouts, we've got pockets. On this other side, I did add a magnet out of my stash only because I forgot to add my ribbon beforehand. That was entirely my fault. Got a big waterfall here. We've got another big pocket here to tuck things into, and then just another little flip out here. With this project, you will have step-by-step video directions on how to make this project. And that's going to be the case with every single project in this retreat. You're getting video tutorials step-by-step that are only accessible if you are part of this retreat. Now, the bad news. Unfortunately, at this moment, this retreat is 100% sold out. So why am I unboxing this? Because if you like what you see here, you're going to want to watch for the next retreat to go on sale. I believe it will go on, I'm not sure when it goes on sale, but the next retreat is going to be closer to the holidays. Next virtual retreat will be closer to the holidays. So you'll get holiday and winter themed projects with that. And I don't know where mine from the last one is. Because we have done a spring retreat and we did a Christmas retreat last year. Let me grab a project and I'll show you what we did on the last two. Okay, so just as an example of the variety of projects. So we did our North Pole retreat was our first virtual retreat. So this was my project, and this was just a little purse for photos. And this thing holds a ton. So this folds out. You've got photo mats going back and forth all through here. You've got a waterfall underneath this flap, and this whole thing closes up into just this cute, compact little purse that is perfect for a gift for a friend or family member. For the spring retreat, I did my loaded envelope here. So this opens up. This was a pocket. We've got belly bands here. We've got pockets. We've got more flaps and pockets, and so on and so forth. And all of this layers together into this little envelope album. So again, you're getting very different projects. Every time you sign up for a virtual retreat, you're going to get new projects. You're not going to get, the same thing in a different paper collection that you had the last time. They're all going to be different. They're all going to be fabulous. And you're getting a whole bunch of stuff to make them with. So keep an eye out for the next virtual retreat. Keep an eye on the Country Craft Creations Facebook group, Scrapbookers of Country Craft Creations. It will be posted there. If you're not a member, by all means, go ask to join the Scrapbookers of Country Craft Creations Facebook group. That's going to be your ticket to first access for physical retreats and virtual retreats. Occasionally there's sales, things, giveaways for different fun things that you're not going to see if you're not part of that group. And keep your eyes peeled for the next virtual retreat to open up, because you guys don't want to miss it. See you later.